18 hours to Bangkok, Thailand. And that flight was the worst flight I've ever been on in my life. It was so hot, I could not breathe. But the food was good. I don't know if y'all can tell what's on the menu because like my quality started getting really bad up there. But I had some codfish with some mashed potatoes and gravy. It was good. Tore that down. Made sure I had that hand sanitizer on me. It was 18 hours. You dang right I used the bathroom. I've never used a bathroom in the airplane in my entire life, but I had to. Second round of food was breakfast. It was like it was like pancakes with like an apple cider type deal. And then for dinner I had this pasta. Don't know what that stuff on the top was. They also had music. They had music and movies on the TV, which I appreciate so much.
As we prepare for landing, we're thrilled to welcome you to the land of smiles, Thailand.
Okay, so technically this is not my first meal because I had Pizza Hut when we first touched down. But look at all this stuff they got at McDonald's. They got cheese sticks, freaking fried chicken, like, and y'all, I used to be pescatarian, but now I'm eating chicken, so I'm a little excited. I haven't had McDonald's in like 10 years. So, you know me, I'm against McDonald's in the States. But this, I don't know what that is. Yeah, I'm gonna give me a McChicken. And yeah, let's see what it's hitting for. So we got the McDonald's. I cheated, y'all. I already took a bite before I recorded. Look how thick that piece of chicken is. A little stingy with the mayo, but whatever. Okay, chicken nuggets. Let's see what they looking like. Regular fried chicken, y'all. Let me see. Let me taste this bite right here. It's crunchy. Needs a little more seasoning. This is the outfit of the day. Real cutesy. I see a lot of like comments on TikTok asking like, what should I wear? Wear whatever you want. This is like my little look. I love like bohemian style. It was gonna go off the shoulder, but I don't want people thinking I'm naked. So some of this mosquito repellent. I have it in a spray form and they have it in a lotion form. I have the lotion because I'm about to spray some perfume. So for today, we're going to the food market. Chatuchuk, I don't know how to pronounce it, but eventually I will. Literally, if you're even visiting Thailand or coming to live here, at least know hi and thank you. That's gonna get you so far. Like, that's literally like it. Apunka, the thank you, and I bow. You know, it's the small things that matter. This is the market. They had fried chicken that I wanted to try so bad, but didn't. They had fruit. They had all types of stuff. And as a black woman, you are going to get stares. Like, it's not like intimidating. Like, I don't know if y'all have ever been to Europe, but like I hear like it's a lot of bad stares in Europe, but it's more so like amazement in a way. I don't know, but everybody is so friendly, and I wish I recorded the interactions that I received from people because this lady was so nice. She gave me a discount on two of the linen pants that I had bought, and she was like, she was just asking like, oh my god, is that your real hair, can I touch it please, like, you know, but I let her. Both colors. I literally have some on right now in like a tan color, but I want these. And then my goal is to find a white skirt. We're gonna find one. They literally had everything you can think of. They had her jackets, they had Carhartt soccer jerseys. They literally had everything. I found these bags and these Ed Hardy shirts and Juicy Couture jackets. Y'all know I love me a little good vintage look. And they also had a food court.